While Shiv Sena chief Uddhav Thackeray has made his displeasure known to the BJP over its overtures to the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena, even as BJP leaders rushed to Mumbai to placate an angry Uddhav Thackeray, the Sena boss made it plainly clear that the BJP cannot hope to do business with the party as well as with the Raj Thackre's MNS, and that it's time for Modi to choose between the two.
देखिए, राज ठाकरे ने जो बात कही है उसके लिए हम उनके आभारी हैं और निश्चित रूप से उन्होंने जो कहा उसके लिए मैं उनके आभार व्यक्त करता हूं।
It was this remark from Gadkari that added fuel to the Sena fire. Already upset over Gadkari's meeting with Raj, Uddhav's anger boiled over when MNS declared that it would fight against Sena but will support Modi as PM. The Sena boss feels that BJP is unofficially supporting his estranged cousin.
केवळ सरकार स्थापन करण्याच्या इराद्याने निवडणूक लढणार असाल तर तसं एकदा स्पष्ट करा आणि मग गरज पडली तर काँग्रेसचाही पाठिंबा आम्हाला चालेल असं जर असेल तर तेही स्पष्ट करा असे माझे दोन महत्त्वाचे प्रश्न आहेत.
The BJP clearly knows that Uddhav is angry and it sent emissaries to placate the Shiv Sena chief.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी के घोषित प्रधानमंत्री प्रत्याशी नरेंद्र मोदी को देश के प्रधानमंत्री के कुर्सी पर बैठाना है. ये शिवसेना और भारतीय जनता पार्टी का महाराष्ट्र में संयुक्त संकल्प है. बातचीत अच्छी हुई, कुछ विषयों पर चर्चा हुआ और मुझे लगता है कि जिस तरह की बातचीत हुई अब कोई किसी प्रकार के असमंजस की स्थिति नहीं है.
Sources say that the Shiv Sena chief was not satisfied with BJP leaders' assurances. So calls were made to Rajnath Singh and Narendra Modi to pacify him. Uddhav has refrained from straining the matter too much in public, instead directing his ire at Raj Thackeray for offering his support when no one asked for it. However, sources say Sena leaders worry that BJP may not work hard to ensure Shiv Sena victory where MNS is contesting.
Uddhav Thackeray's questions to the BJP is seen as a veiled threat by the Shiv Sena. Though the BJP is now trying to bury the hatchet and move ahead, the lack of trust created between the two allies at this crucial juncture may affect their performance in Maharashtra. With camera person Mahesh More, Kamlesh Tutar in Mumbai for Headlines Today.